In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ripple XRP in 2025. The first thing you want to do is you want to find a reputable crypto exchange where you can go ahead and purchase XRP. There's plenty of great ones out there like Binance and Coinbase. For this video, I'm going to be using Coinbase, but you could always go ahead and use any other application. Just make sure that they're legit and stuff like that. So basically, all you want to do is you want to install the application. You could also do this on desktop as well. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how to do it on a mobile device. By the way, the Coinbase application is completely free. But once you're done with that, go ahead and select on open. Now, you will need to go ahead and create a Coinbase account, which may take up a little bit of time. You will also even need your ID whenever you do make a Coinbase account, so just make sure that you do have that ready at hand. Alright guys, now once you went ahead and created a Coinbase account, you will get a menu that looks something like this. Now, in order to get started, let's go ahead and select on this button that does say buy and sell. Then we're going to go ahead and select on buy, which will allow us to purchase crypto using cash money. Let's go ahead and press on that. And then from here, go ahead and look up XRP. So we got XRP right over here. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on it like so. Then go ahead and select over here where it says buy and enter in the amount of cash that you actually want to purchase worth of XRP. So before you do this, make sure you go ahead and select over here where it says pay with. So at the moment, we actually do have a cash account, which mine is currently empty, but do not worry. But Coinbase actually does offer us multiple ways to go ahead and pay for stuff like this. We could even use a debit card as well, and we could even use something like PayPal. So again, there's many different options, and you can go ahead and select on this option that does say add a payment method. And as you're able to tell, we are able to go ahead and link our bank account, our debit card, and stuff like that. However, this may take a little bit of time just so that Coinbase actually does confirm that it's your account. This is in order to avoid fraud and stuff like that. So those are definitely viable options that you guys could go ahead and utilize. But once you selected on how much XRP you want, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on review order. And then depending on your payment method, it might make you go to like some other platform. So again, because I'm using PayPal, it is going to take me to the PayPal page right over here. But all we need to do is log in, and from there, it will give us the option to actually purchase XRP. And then after a while, it should appear on our Coinbase account. Then using XRP, we're able to go ahead and buy a bunch of other assets. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.